If you're a realtor, this video is for you. If you have leads that are sitting in your CRM just piling dust because you forgot about them, or it's hard for you to get to them even after you get new properties that might fit them, but you just have too many leads, then this automation is for you. And this automation is a part of a much wider system that I built for a client, but I just want to walk you through this single automation that is very powerful and is worth a lot of money. Okay, so first of all, the CRM of this client is on Airtable. So the first module is to watch when a new property is added to Airtable. So I've added the watch records module, and I search by created time. Okay, so this is the way that it knows that a new record or a row, if you're not familiar with Airtable, is added to the properties table. Then I compile all of these properties into an array, which is basically a list. So it saves on operations. In make.com you have operations, you pay for every operation. So if I didn't do this, it would run the entire automation for every property. Okay, so I search for all these properties and then I make one list of all these properties using the array aggregator. Sorry. Afterwards, I search for all the leads in the Airtable CRM that have the status of being tracked or currently don't have a fitting property, and I compile those again into an array, into a list, and then I take both of these arrays and I send them over to an AI agent. You can also do it with just an OpenAI module or any AI module. It doesn't have to be an AI agent. It's just that for this client they have an AI agent for different tasks, so I already send it to their agent because it's well trained on what they need. But you can do it with any AI module and just explain to the AI module, just give it a prompt saying something along the lines of, here are two arrays of properties and leads, and I want you to find all the properties or all the leads that might be relevant to any of these properties based on A, B, C, okay, whatever you decide. So the AI will look at all the parameters, the price, the budget of the lead, number of rooms, etc., and then it will match those leads to those properties if there are any matches. So you can define that to the AI as well. And then I ask the AI to send an email to that client with the properties details and all of the leads that might fit that property. Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to walk you through this simple but very powerful automation that I created. And if you need help, if you want me to create it for you, if you need any other automations created for you, just reach out. I have the email at the description, and also you can schedule a call if you want to. There will be a link in the description as well. Yeah, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, also leave them in the comments. If you like the video, like it really helps, and I will see you on the next video.